Everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Crafts Designs. I've got the final one of these BondCraftor demolds. It's the Deep Pour this time. The box was literally too high to fit under my camera. We've got the instruction sheet. I'm going to say this one last time. I've got to keep these videos really short, under 5 minutes, so that they'll upload on my phone. It's just the battery life is too short. We've got the instruction sheet, manual, got an introduction, suggestions for use, temperature. It's more effective to operate at room temperature around 77 degrees Fahrenheit, 25 degrees Celsius. The ideal curing temperature is 60 to 85 degrees. Humidity: avoid working in high humidity environment. Recommended humidity is less than 85%. Environment: ensure the environment is clean, dry, and dust-free. In unventilated places, please use a fan to disperse the heat. Dispense the heat. Dissipate the heat. Oh my goodness, can you read? Wooden projects, it just recommends that you seal the wood prior to use. Okay. Measuring A to B, which is measured by volume. I should have said that on the rest of these, but there are a few instances where measuring by weight is preferred. Mix thoroughly. Pouring. Note, you can use a squeegee or scraper to apply the resin to large surfaces. I've got a bunch of these. These really come in handy in quite a few different instances. Waiting at room temperature. It should be dry to the touch after 24 hours. Cure after 48 hours and reach full hardness 2 to 4 days. Okay, problem solving, security measures, storing conditions, and emergency handling. Alright. 6 graduated cups, 5 pair of gloves, a couple of stir paddles, like I said, the scrapers, and then the resin. This is 64 ounces. It's 2 to 1 A to B. There are 2 of these part A bottles and then 1 of the part B. I don't even know how the postal service delivered all this. My husband said, didn't you get a knock at the door or anything? I said, no. And he carried this box in. It was super heavy. And it was actually on the front porch. The other one was down by the mailbox, and it was much lighter. So, I'm not really sure about that. The postman probably figured, I didn't carry that heavy one up there. I'm not carrying another one. Anyway, I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that hype button. Bye for now.